topic. So we have been seeing the difference between an entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So entrepreneur is more related to a person than an entrepreneurship is a process. So we have seen the different roles of entrepreneur, organizer, innovator, risk bearer, motivator, creator, visualizer, leader, and imitator. An entrepreneurship is going to be the process for doing all these things. It's going to be an organization, the entity or enterprise, what you call. Innovator is the entrepreneur, and innovation is the process. Risk barrier is the name of an innovator, and risk bearing is the process. You have motivation, creation, vision, leadership, and imitation. So the action becomes the entrepreneurship, and the person becomes the entrepreneur. So that is the difference between relationship between the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. They are used actually in similar concepts today, but their actual way of usage is going to be different. You have to understand the difference.